Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I was invited to a picnic party. I was so busy trying to finish up orders that I didn't even have time to make something for myself. Because it's my culture not to attend any event without at least a crochet piece. So when I sighted this my red mini handbag, I was like, I've not even took this to any event. Like, let me whip something up to match with it. So I made this red earrings to match with it, and it came out so beautiful. When I posted it on my socials, I got requests to make a tutorial for it, and I'm like, why not? Anything for my babies, right? So this is a tutorial on how to crochet this earring. Why don't you just grab your yarn, hook and scissors? Let's whip this baby up. You're going to start by making a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger once, pull it out, insert your hook in the circle, wrap around, pull through, tighten it. So here we have our slip knot. Then we are going to make 20 chains. Sorry, I don't want that to be very large. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So here we have our 20 chains. You can make yours longer if you want. Now come back to this first chain that you made, insert your hook. I am actually trying to insert my hook in the first front loop. I don't know if you can see it well, so that my work will be comfortable. Okay, so make a slip stitch, and this is what we have, a circle. Then we're going to chain up 2 and make 1 double crochet in that front loop. I'm going to be hiding this tail along as I go. So 1 double crochet, then go ahead and make 1 double crochet in all the chains that you have, so the remaining 19 chains. I'm here at the end of the round. You should have 20 double crochets minus the 2 chain. Now go straight, skip the 2 chain and go straight to the 1 double crochet and make a slip stitch right on top of it. Chain 1, tighten, grab your scissors and cut the end off. Pull this out and tighten it. Then we're going to set this aside for now and grab a yarn and make a slip knot. Chain up 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So you grab the first one, just put this in just this way, and make sure it's facing the same side that you want it to face. So I made my slip stitch on the front loop so that it will be easy for me to work on, just like the previous one. Then you're going to chain up 2, which doesn't count as a stitch. Then in that same space, make 1 double crochet and continue making 1 double crochet until you get to the end of the round. I'm here at the end of the round. I will skip the 2 chains and go over to the 1 double crochet and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, tighten, grab my scissors and cut off the yarn, pull it out, tighten it. So for the next one, I have my 20 chain ready. Okay, so I'm going to put this in, insert my hook, make sure they are facing the same direction, make my slip stitch in the first chain just like the previous one. So chain 2, make 1 double crochet in that same stitch or chain. Now continue making your 1 double crochet until you get to the end of the round. So I'm here at the end of the round. I will skip the 2 chain and go over to the 1 double crochet and make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, and on that chain 2 space, I'll make a slip stitch in there, and that gets me to the middle of the stitch. Then I'll chain 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, then tighten it, grab my scissors. I'm going to chain up 1 again and tighten it so that it's to be stronger. Then I'll grab my scissors and cut the end off. I'll pull it out and grab my scissors and cut it off again. Then I'll use my lighter to burn this off. Okay, so this is the earring I'm using for this. I'm just gonna open it, then come over to this place, insert and close up. So this is what we have. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed, turn on the notification bells that you don't miss out on any tutorial. Okay, bye and see you next time.